drinking. 2 shots, let's pour it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again into another beautiful video from Kenya, East Africa. In today's video, I want to give you an update of the construction of Raila Amolo Odinga Talanta International Stadium here in Nairobi, the Kenyan capital, East Africa 2026.
Remember, you don't get it twice, the time of your life.
Ladies and gentlemen, Talanta Stadium, also known as Talanta Sport City, is a 60,000-seater football-only stadium currently under construction in Nairobi, Kenya. Scheduled to be finalized in July 2026, it is being built to host matches for the 2027 African Cup of Nations (AFCON). The facility is located along Ngong Road within Jamhuri Sport Ground.
Don't look at the past now.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are the key features and specifications concerning the construction of Talanta International Stadium. Number 1, the facility features distinctive architectural design inspired by Kenya heritage, with the facade featuring traditional Maasai shield and spear motifs. Number 2, the arena is specifically tailored as a football-only stadium without an athletics track to ensure a world-class viewing experience. It utilizes a hybrid playing surface that weaves natural Bermuda grass with the synthetic fibers. Number 3, the structure is being built to strict CAF and FIFA standard, featuring advanced media room, VAR booth, goal line technology, and 7 team changing rooms. Number 4, the Ministry of Youth Affairs, Creative Economy and Sport confirmed that construction has reached 91% completion, targeting a July finish. Number 5, the mega project is a public-private partnership, PPP, being constructed by the China Road and Bridge Corporation, CRBC. Number 6, valued at approximately over 44 billion Kenya shillings, the facility is the centerpiece of a wider sports city concept. Number 7, during Jamhuri Day celebration, the government announced intentions to rename the venue to the Raila Odinga International Stadium upon completion. Finally, for the latest updates and site progress, you can track official government announcement via the presidential website of Kenya, or stay updated with sporting development platforms like Pulse Sport Kenya.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and 1 more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember